the village.
Remember I say the mat's just empty.
I swear.
You feel me?
How do you feel now, my blood?
After that guy, you know, how was supposed to laugh yesterday?
I forget totally.
You die, you know. You die.
We go track there today now.
Hey, where you? Come here.
Me? Not be you. Them.
And my papa they talk to.
Mogu. Come on, Momu, come here. Wait. In they call you. You first they size them. Abi? So your brain just not tell you say men laugh as you pass.
Listen, I will not see you.
Eh? You don't see me?
Yeah.
Too small now. Nah, we don't small now. You know, how you go see us?
That one day. Small for you, you don't see me. That's here, wait, this place, an empty space. Come on, go down. Come on, come down there. No go.
Go down, you the phone commando, who the follow you, they laugh.
Our mother sent us to
Shut up!
Sent you!
Mother send you, send her. You just wait up from that song.
Wait.
Oh, bread.
So, eh? Raise your hand.
Come on, raise hand.
Like.
No get respect for others. Look me finish, say you don't see me. No, they use your hand. You don't collect now?
Sharp.
Okay. Big boys. I want to see you in a bag. Open at the Casablanca. I said, open at the Casablanca.
See your face.
Ogu. You are sweater for sun.
Kolo.
How much you go there?
Thank you.
You use this kind of phone by this time.
To manage now.
Doesn't even grandmother phone this.
He's a great provider. He's a great provider. He's a great provider.
Mama,
Good morning. Which of the drums are you fulfilling first?
Mama, the kitchen drums.
Why? Your brother will be coming back soon, and he will need that particular water for his business. And you're determining the one to fill and the one not to fill.
Mama, don't worry. We'll feed the kitchen drum before he comes back.
Who says so? I've told you people time with that number. Your brother comes first in this house, irrespective whose ox is God. Eh?
Okay, Mama, we have heard you. We'll feed the drum.
We don't already go and feel it.
Let's go.
Okay, Mama, stop worrying yourself.
We are coming now. Just to feel water. You people are determining which one you feel first. We also will need to go and feel that water now.
This is my best friend, and the best and whiter in this village.
I see. I need pushments and become one. My main question is
The prince is in town. Oh, my time myself don't sell it. Push me. In that case, we are selling. No, it's not so. It's not so. Yes, sir. It's available.
so please take the power from him.
Look at the way birds are destroying it. Where will I see this boy to come and plug their beds? Look at this one. Look at this one. Hi! His menu. Hey, wait. Where are you going to see this? Good morning. Madam. Mama. You are very lazy. Eh? Lazy girl. When your mates are done fetching water, that is when you will wake up to go and fetch water.
Mama, why are you saying this to me? You know I slept late last night.
You lied. You slept early. And I still wake up early.
Mama, you woke up early for your morning devotion. Have you forgotten?
What's your morning devotion?
Eh? Mama, you woke up early because you are waiting for your precious son to return from hunting.
This girl will not kill me.
Mama, Zupani
Ike. Hey.
Zupani Ike, baby, ne singwaga. Call Orugo. Oh, what did he give me? Nothing will happen to him.
I know. Go and fetch water.
Mama, see, I will fetch plenty water for you today. Trust me.
It's not good for you to be lazy. You are a girl. You will soon marry and go to another man's house.
Mama, but I'm not a lazy girl. Fetching water for you has never been my problem. You know that.
Go.
I can fetch plenty water for you today.
Where will you see that boy, Okechuku, that used to come and plug this fruit for me?
Mama, I will see him on my way going to fetch water today.
Okay, please. You have to do. Look at my fruits. Birds are destroying those ones that are ripe already.
No problem, Mama.
Please.
Let me go and get my can.
Gabakwano. Let me go. It can lazy go around. Gaba.
I remember those good old days when the prince was too shy to attend the cabinet meetings. But now I'm happy. I can see he has grown so confident of himself.
I know you're not far from the truth, right? But I strongly believe that growth has nothing to do with my confidence. Besides, I'm a prince, right? So every prince should have this confidence, isn't it?
No, I totally agree with you. Because I remember I always told him that a son of a tiger should behave like a tiger.
Oh, come on. My son has always been a shy type while growing up. He never behaved like a tiger.
Thank you very much, Igwe, for saying the truth.
I must thank you, Dad, as well. You've made me where I am today. Without you, I can't get to this point, right? And Mom, you've done a lot of job as well. And to you, Ono, I must thank you especially for being a good friend to Dad and you being a confidant. And that's really a great thing to see, for this while, there's not been changes and all that. So I'm really pleased with you.
No, Prince Ochendo, you don't have to thank me. You don't have to thank me. I've only fulfilled my obligations as the traditional prime minister, the Onowu of this great kingdom. And of course, in honor of my allegiance to your father, the great king, our great king, my best friend. So you don't have to appreciate me in a special way.
All I can say is that I'm now happy that my son is full of confidence. Not as myself only, but he's growing wiser and stronger with his power of influence. That's by the way, you told me that you've sent for the best palm wine tapper for the undiluted palm wine.
Oh yes.
You now. Why did Facebook that girl like that now?
Man, I did drip for this girl. Like, I don't know how to tell her.
I don't understand. You trip for the girl and you don't know how to tell her. I be say your morale no starch now. See, if you trip for the babe, if she pass here again, you stop her You cap am here in Chester. Nothing dey happen.
The thing say I dey fear her brother. Even if she agree, sef, she no go involve her brother for the matter.
Brother, I remember father.
When you talk like that.
Which one be say he dey fear him brother? As waiting. Brother na commando. See, ace wey you use your head pan. If that babe pass here again, stop am. Kappa everything we won't tell am. Nobody will know. Tell me saying brother. You don't believe me again.
You sure?
No one use your head pan. If that babe pass here again, you stop am. Kappa am what you won't tell am. From
hey, my blood!
No more. They tell me say brother now. Brother now. I don't understand.
Everywhere good.
I don't understand. What kind of royal contract is that?
The prince is back and he wants to eat something later. So I was contracted to prepare those things for him.
Ha! Are you the only hunter in this village? Why will you be the one they contracted to prepare something fresh for the prince? Is there nobody else they could have contacted to do it?
So I should lose business because we are dating. Don't let jealousy becloud your sense of losing me. This is business now. They will pay me. It will bring good money, which both of us need. Please, thanks. Come in here. This is hustling. I'll be right back.
Both of the palm wine, are you not going to supply us palm wine?
Okay, Chukwu is in the car. We are taking the palm wine he has to the palace, okay? You go and tap other trees and bring us later. Come on, let me down.
You just come straight to the princess.
It is a big... We're doing business now, stop. I'm coming here.
You did not hug me. You need to hug me so that she will know we have something.
You can I go? It's business. I'm not that used to this. Come on.
So now we take the palm wine from him and then follow him to the palace.
Excuse me, like this. You don't connect my chance. I can even connect the palm wine. It's my best friend. I will go to him.
Zuma, I need those services. Nothing else.
Please, I can collect this one and follow you back. Let's carry him along. It's my best friend. Let him just escort me. So that I won't be bored without this.
I really don't need him. But if you insist, no problem.
I insist.
Come along.
Thank you.
Something that you must take precaution.
My king.
Otika, where is the princess?
She is not yet back, my king.
I told you to find her.
My king, but I was spoken with all delay. The princess will still be around. But you need to attend to something very important.
That the king is not supposed to be aware of.
My king, there are 2 boys outside. They say there was rob with their phone and then money, my king.
Now go round and make reports to the police station. Let them go inside the village, come round the village with a vigilante and catch those thieves. Now go!
My king, the 2 thieves are Onomu's sons, my king.
Hey! Tochukwu na Nzube arapụtagokwa m n'afịa o. Hey!
My king, please. Lolo.
Hey!
But you can go and ask them to leave and come back to the palace tomorrow.
Don't panic, my dear. I just want to have a conversation with you.
Are you blind? Can't you see what I'm carrying?
That's not a problem. I will help you break it down and also help take it back up when we are done talking.
So what will happen to my friends?
That's their problem. They could either wait or go, whichever they want.
They should wait with this?
Let me help you.
You are not serious. Excuse me.
It's like when you move that way.
Can you imagine?
What was that?
So your face is like wearing for?
She say she not fit wait or even bring the water down.
Wait. So all this while we stand there at the capacity, nothing come out?
Nothing, no level at all.
Now you allow her merchandise. Sometimes I wonder whether you be my brother because your liver no starch at all.
What do you want, man? Do make her force am? She say she not fit bring her down. I beg.
Come sit down there before I go give you repeats now.
Why you dey?
You go carry the water down, then cap her your inner chester.
She say her friends, you not fit wait. I wish now they try follow and reason you, they attack me.
See, you see this your tolo lifestyle, and this your this thing where you reason. You know they use your head pan. Anyways, I don't want to follow you talk. She don't go. After waiting.
Mo dey go that track that guy now.
Go TV.
God, I am really surprised those boys could not even stand you. They must be really afraid of your brother Choma.
They are not just afraid of her brother. I noticed that stupid boy is in love with her. In love with who?
No.
Please, I am not interested. In fact, I will still go through that road path again.
Hey.
I want to see what he will do to me.
I must follow you to that road.
Let's go. Let's go. Are you serious?
Yes, so.
Let's meet here then.
Okay. Now, no problem.
Let's meet here.
Yes. See that is a bit of a boy.
You didn't notice the way he was doing his leg when he was talking to
Let's go, Joy. You like us.
That guy is talking like don't mind him.
Choma, don't worry. We'll see you later, yeah?
See you later.
Please bring meat for me if you are coming.
Bye bye.
say you don't want to eat. This is the last food in that pot. Papa, you hear when I'm telling her? She said she doesn't want to eat. She said she doesn't want to eat. Me, I will finish it too.
Njide, were you not the one who said you want to eat? You requested for this food. What is the problem?
Papa, I've lost my appetite. I don't want to eat anything again.
Hey.
Me, I know that once she sees Izuna, her appetite will be high. You and I know that she likes food, Papa. By that time, it will be too late, oh, Papa. Let her make her choice now.
Oh, it's all about Izuna, right?
Yes.
I said it now. When I saw that bushmeat, I knew he was here.
Izuna came here this morning with a royal car. It was Princess Emere who came with him. They took him to the palace to prepare bushmeat for the king and Prince Ochendo.
Ochendo is back?
Ha, Papa Ochendo is back now.
That shouldn't be a problem. Eh? Don't worry. He will be paid for it. He will even benefit from that.
Why is no one getting my point? Why is no one else seeing that Princess Emilia is intimidating me? Papa, that girl is trying to take my man away from me with her money and power. And you all are just telling me what I don't understand.
You are the one who feel intimidated. Yes. That is what you choose to see. Let me tell you, you better focus on yourself. Izuna, I know, is the disciplined boy. Once he said he loves you, he will never leave you.
Papa, back to what I'm saying. This is the only meat in that pot. I am saying, me I know my sister, this thing will cause war. Papa, tell her now, if she will ask me later, let her ask me now. I will finish it though.
Come on, I don't need to call the runner for.
So worried. My daughter, your brother is not yet back. And you know he doesn't stay this late. From hunting.
Mama, what if he wants to sell his bushmeat before he comes back?
Yes, but you and I know he doesn't do things that way. He will come back first, take his bath before taking them to the market.
Mama, please. Stop worrying yourself. He's a grown man. He will definitely come back.
Hey, run inside. Go and bring your phone. Let's call him.
Have you forgotten he doesn't go hunting with his phone?
Oh.
Mama, what is all this? Why are you worrying yourself?
What am I going to do now? Okay. Run to Okechukwu's house and check if he is there.
Yes. I am fetching water with Okechukwu's sisters. Let me empty this one that I just fetched now. Then when I return, I'll ask them if Izuna is in their house. Mama, stop worrying yourself because of your health. There is no money for medicine. Please. Mama,
just go. Go so that you check.
Okay, let me empty this one. Go on.
Oh, it's nothing. Which?
He was very angry with me.
Hey, two of you can go. I want to talk to Choma.
Yeah. And we're not going anywhere without our friend.
Come.
You know you're waiting in talk. They put you tie for ear.
I don't want this to look like an harassment. Go. I want to talk to Choma.
And what is it already? Is it not harassment?
If I talk and you talk again when your name is not Choma, you will understand the main meaning of harassment. Choma, come, let's talk. I want to...
Talk about what? What do you want us to talk about? Bianzube, or whatever you are called. There is nothing you will tell me, and this too. won't hear it.
Come.
Yes. So whatever thing you want to say to me, say it here or you forget about it.
Wait, you. No go focus. Come, you will do like teacher picking. You see, if them talk anything when them talk here, you no concern you. You just pocket your mouth for inside you.
Don't talk to my sister like that.
Come. Chioma, see. You see this your friends, eh? Make them come out. They can tell you something. Won't tell you something. Leave all these things with the balabala.
Oh, please stop talking to my friends like that. See, I can see you are not serious. Yes. You are not even man enough to talk. Chioma, let's go. Just leave this girl.
Let's go.
Come, Chioma, see, I don't know what you see for this girl. See that one too where they like teacher picking where do Jericho. Now you follow the talk like this.
Like that.
See, you get to change this your like. Come, what did they do with this colorful girl?
Don't worry, let them be. We'll teach them.
That girl self no do organic. You go change your color. You go
leave
change your
like that one I love. Show?
Which love?
I like.
This is yummy. Oh no. I thought you were my friend. So you've been enjoying something so delicious and natural, all in all, without informing me.
Igwe, how could I ever think of eating all this by myself, eh? Igwe, I've never had it this delicious before. That's the truth. In fact, Izuma here sure knows how to cook better than his father.
Wonderful. Coming from a young guy.
So, young man, whenever you need anything from the royal family, just let me know. Give me the opportunity to pick up whatever you need, just let me know, okay?
So, Dad, just finish eating before you ask them.
I think it's better we allow them go home. Relax and think about it. Then tomorrow, they will tell us what they think.
Okay, my princess is right. So when they think about what they want in life, they can make decisions best.
Exactly.
In that case, let me dive my...
So, okay, Chukwu, let me ask. What was it that you wanted to ask for?
Look at this guy. I wanted to ask for a car, a house, and some money.
But you are very, very funny. Okay, so if Princess Emilie didn't stop you, you would have asked for all those things.
Why not go ask for it? Why not go ask her with a jolly day job? They make it more. I Prince say, name anything what you want to. I go do it for you. You say, I close my mouth. What? Why not go talk?
Name anything.
Honorable.
Hello.
We are coming to the house.
Coming to which house? Coming to respect yourself. Okay, now back to what you are saying. So you want to carry all your family problem and put on their head?
Thank God you know I have a family problem. Yes. Thank you very much.
Okay, if it comes, if the car comes, what is the plan to maintain it?
You see, God is not a stupid man. You see, the same God that provided this very opportunity will provide more opportunities that will enable me take care of my car and maintain my house.
You see, you are full of problems. Yes, you are full of problems.
Honorable!
Beautiful and go.
Honorable!
Okay, Chukwu.
I'm coming. Hey! Mama, brother is so strong. Yes, now. See the way he's a big man that coach. After they have power. See me, brother, just boom, boom, boom. So they can't even fight.
I thought they are strong.
Like they're not strong.
Anyway, that serves them right.
Hey!
Nne, let me start going. My brother is waiting for me.
Okay. Brother, I'm going, Let's go.
Mama, what is it? You got me scared. You came back late. Am I a baby? Mama, how many times have I told you? Stop worrying yourself. This time I don't come home. I'm not missing. But you don't come back late. Mama, listen, this is life. Something might happen and take extra time. It's normal. Then you have to go with your phone. Mama, if I go with my phone, while targeting the animal, you will still call and distract me and the animal. Only baby. Mama, I'm not the only son in this village. Calm down.
You are my only son.
brother, where are you coming from when you ran into us?
You won't believe this. I was coming from the palace.
Mama Banese.
This morning, I was opportune to eat breakfast with the king, his family, and even the own.
Are you serious? Are you serious? How did it happen?
Come back with Banese.
Biko.
Mama, today was very, very beautiful. You needed to be in the palace to know what I'm saying. Yeah? Today was beautiful. I pounded yam. I pounded yam while Izu cooked the bushmeat pepper soup. Mama, as we enjoy, enjoyment. Yeah? Prince Ochendo came to us and said we should mention anything at all we want him to do for us. Mama, I wanted to talk. I wanted to open my mouth. If you know how much I wanted to mention. You know Princess now. Princess Emilia. Ajabalawan. Yeah? He just said, you guys should go home and think about it first.
She did well. Because if you could have opened your mouth and say nonsense, poverty can make one say rubbish. At the end of the day, you regret it. Now, when you go, tell the prince that you want cars, buildings, land, empty land, money, plenty of it. Yes.
Hey, I go why? It's like you entered my mind. You're just speaking through my mind.
Brother, you're laughing. Is that not too much to ask for? Car, houses, this one. Can't you ask for business opportunities?
What is too much to ask? Hey. You ask a big man what he can easily give away. You don't go asking for the things he will think about. Because there may not be another opportunity for you to see him and to ask for those things. The cars, he could have used so many cars. He will give you one of the ones he has used. He may have so many buildings. He may have one building, 2, 3 in a city. He will give you one, the old one. Oh, brother, empty plot. You may have one inside the bush.
What are you not saying?
He'll give you. It's not much.
Ask for a business opportunity, please.
Yes.
Mama.
What other business opportunity is this one? What? Apart from asking for the things he have mentioned to him, what other business opportunity would he get? You don't ask a big man what he cannot give you. If he sells the building, he will start a business. If he collects the money, he will start a business. If he sells the empty land, he will start a business.
A business?
So what other business opportunity are you asking for? What
do you know?
Mama, if Onaya is right, she's right. Ask for business, this one is car, money, this one, that one. So much. It can bring more money. Business will bring in more money.
Mama,
has anybody asked for your hand in marriage and probably given us a monkey? Monkey no pet. I don't see. Yes, the man that came to marry Funanya brought this monkey.
Mama, each time we want to.
And I made that house. Mama, see the breast of your chest.
What?
With this big balls.
Okay, Chukwu's wife. Are you not older than okay, Chukwu's wife? You are too small.
I'm too small. I want you to make money, so I'll further my age.
You want me to make money?
Another person to go.
From talking per line. I'll make money and sponsor you.
Are you not my
brother?
Are you not your elder? Come on, get out.
Am I our brother? That's why I'm tall like him.
You're tall?
Yes, you better.
You tall, where is it? You tall and live sense.
Mama said go inside.
Go inside!
But I don't follow Mama. Don't follow
Are you
Mama.
looking for me? No.
Are you talking to Mama?
Are you? No, are you?
Mama, up and down, but you know.
Nene Gavaras.
Agree.
They should get married and leave this house so that we can live in this house together, you and I.
You and I? Mama, don't.
What can I name it? You should marry.
Bobble, Abaquaco. Yatu nobe. Abaco, Yatu nobe. I'm a mobe, Keji Piaco. Eh? If I had not been at that palace this morning, the decision had already been reached to call in the police and the vigilantes to come and waste your lives. You are lucky I was there when that report was made.
I don't want booking no go see forget though. I swear, my bad. So they cap me now and say those boys get the get the moral, I can't report us to you.
Will you shut up?
Buy one, then go collect.
Tochukwu, I said shut up.
They go collect.
Will you shut up, Tochukwu? What's even wrong with you both? What
What do you lack in this house? Why do you derive joy in going out there to rob people?
Papa, I lack pocket money. We could talk am for once.
But wait, Papa. Are you forgetting who you are? You are the who.
Number 2 citizen, Number 2.
The whole community. We are your sons. Are they not supposed to be respecting us?
You don't want me?
And you think you can force respect from people, right? Don't you know that respect is earned and not forced? Eh? In any case, I'm only taking this lightly with you because Prince Ochendo has promised to take you both to America. That's why I'm taking it lightly. If not, I would have allowed them to waste you and let me have my peace.
Actually, don't see anything they make me vex for Papa sometimes. They see Papa, see where these bobo Jews they come from? Which kind of super story? You just won't come, you won't bring person BP up, then raise and down again. Which guy? Papa, see, I don't want to leave me my day.
If this is not true, we will bring more royal disgrace to this household. We march down the whole community. We scatter everywhere down, Papa.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Well, it will interest you to know that I'm not lying. If I were lying, you both would be languishing in jail right now. I am serious. Prince Ochendo wants to take you both to America. So I will advise you to put your things together. Return all those things you stole from those people. Gather them. Take them to the palace. Hand them over to the royal household. And then proceed to discuss your travel plans with Prince Ochendo.
And now you don't talk with you won't talk since now. All the thing will be in the wait for you to talk since. You just did the bala bala buru buru. You don't go like this, you don't go like that. Now you don't cap the main thing. If you tell us say you want Moko return the things, but first you go first ask whether I'll collect them. And waiting be the thing will collect. No be that balasa phone. That's balasa phone where even your grandmama no go agree use them.
My grandmama no go agree use them, but you go collect them. Look at you, Papa. Look at your eyes. How many raps have you smoked today? Igbo, marijuana, loud, whatever you call it. How many have you had today? Put those things together. Take them to the palace first thing in the morning and then discuss with Prince Ochendo on how he plans to proceed with your travel arrangements. Foolish children.
But wait, Papa. Did they show you any proof that we actually collected anything from them?
Are you not the village thief? No. Are you not the village thief?
See waiting Papa they call in children.
Oh, shut up.
When I just check them.
How we wanted they were. Papa they cost us.
Anyway, you've heard what I said. Plan yourselves well, oh. If not, you will continue as common petty thieves in this village. I'm going for Mayafo. Foolish children.
Papa, we'll go, don't worry, we got you.
Return those things first thing in the morning.
Papa, see, make a copy my inner chest out. See, forget this way they do. Papa will resemble you. Forget this thing. Nobody say they give you no good I don't be like say.
We are your sons.
Anything you will do today, you do small.
Oh.
Okay. You know I love you so much.
I love you more.
Are you sure?
You're the best thing that I've ever had from you. Smile is something else, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know why? I don't have any contract at hand. If only he allowed us to get married, we would have been married by now.
But have you told him you want to marry me?
Yes, of course. Many times. Yes. Well, he made it clear to me that our friendship will never pass this level.
Then ask your mother to come and tell my mother. Simple.
Or ask me to seduce your brother, so it will be the same. So it is true. It is true that you both are secretly having an affair in this village, huh? Choma, you're wicked.
Nkemderin, please. Just calm down. I can explain this.
Explain what? You're extremely wicked, Choma.
I am not wicked. I am your friend.
Which
Can
friend?
you stop this?
Will shut up? Which friend? Brother, please. Stay out of this. Or else I'm going to tell Izuna what I just saw here.
You do what?
You heard me right, Choma.
Nkemderin.
Choma, the only way I'm going to forgive you is that you're going to tell your brother that I love him.
What's that nonsense supposed to mean?
Obin, just please, calm down. She has always wanted to date my brother. But I kept telling her, it will not work. Because my brother is already with Njideka.
Even if your brother is not with Njideka, can you face Princess Emilia? Can you? Even if you can, do you think I will allow it?
Thank you. Thank you, brother. Now you're going to join Chioma and tell Izuna that I love him. Or else I'm going to expose this. You know me or you know me, Chioma.
Don't try it! If I don't kill you in this village, try it! I'm going to go. I'm going to go. Utobo.
What are we going to do about this?
About what? I'm in love with you. It's you I want to marry. I will spend the rest of my life with, and there's nothing anyone will do about it. Alright? Abu
What
Toba.
about my brother?
Your brother. Your brother is my friend. Don't worry, I know. But with God, all things are possible. Yeah? Mama? This one you're like this, what are you thinking?
Oh,
I'm blessed. I hope all is well.
I'm thinking of...
Thinking about what?
I'm thinking that... I'm thinking on what you're going to demand from the Igwe. What your demand will be.
I told you the princess will take care of that.
My son, it's not right for the princess to take care of it. No. It's better you do that by yourself because princess might ask for what will take you far away from us.
How? Why? What are your reasons?
You should do that by yourself because if you do, she will ask for what will favor us.
Okay, well, the problem is that you worry too much about me. I'm not the only son around here. My best friend is an only son. But you act as if I'm disappearing. Mama, everything will be fine, okay? Let me go for hunting now. When I return, we shall continue about this.
Don't worry. I suffered so much before I gave birth to you. My son, you won't understand. You won't understand what I went through. Yes.
Mama, don't worry. Listen, as day breaks, things will be unfolding and fixing itself. Don't worry, let me go hunting. When I return, we shall continue. Huh? What do we do?
Oh.
No. Yeah? What are you doing here?
I miss you. Oh, Princess Melissa should come and bring you to the palace.
I hope there's no problem.
No, not at all.
I guess Prince Ochendo wants to see this area. Ha! Prince, everything that will make me leave my hunting to go and answer the prince. Is he worth it?
I came with the car, there's no problem.
Okay, now Mama, we're coming here. Let me go to the palace and honor their call before going hunting.
My son, I hope all is well.
There is no problem, Mama.
Mama, you worry too much. The palace now, not the police station.
Okay.
We're coming. Okay, let's go. But meanwhile, on our way, I will call my best friend. Can I come out of her? You carry me.
What nonsense is this? What nonsense is this? I made all these plans just for you. To change your life from a village hunter to American base.
Are you saying my life is useless?
Izuna, that is not what I'm saying. Can't you look out there? See what your mates are achieving out there. Do you want to remain a hunter all your life? Is that what you want? Why do you want to throw this big chance away just like that?
I don't care about what my mates are doing out there. Because some of my mates are dead too. Life is not like that. Trust me, it will end in praise. I know what I'm doing.
Do you trust him?
Yes, he's my best friend. I trust him.
You trust him?
You heard when the prince said that in 1 year time, he will be so rich and he will come back and take me along.
See, Isuna, I don't like what you are saying. I don't like it one bit. I don't. All these plans I made just for you, not for your friend. It's not for your friend, it's for you.
Now, Princess, I appreciate the fact that you're putting in effort just to make sure I become useful and big in life. But sometimes carry me along. Ask me, what do you want? Will you go through this direction or through this way? Please. Obodo is not my thing for now.
Isu, all I want is for your own good. I just want it to be better. That's all. You know what? Just go home. Think about it. Like my brother said. Maybe by tomorrow you can come up with a better answer.
I am not a baby, my princess. Let my friend go. Trust me, he will not disappoint me.
Hey!
We grew up together. It's like my brother.
You have to trust people like that. Why not just take the chance?
He's not people, he's my best friend. I swear he wouldn't betray me. No, he's coming for me.
Please, think about it. I'm begging you again. Think. Please. Just give it another thought, okay?
Excuse me.
I welcome you again to the palace. Without knowing that my daughter had come in demand that these two young men who cooked this delicious meal for us be rewarded. My son came in the night, troubled. I told him that I will fix this. The reason we have gathered here, Ochendo.
Father.
Talk to your people.
Good morning, everyone. I'm just going to try to be as meticulous as possible, so I'm just going to go straight to the point. I know I'll be taking one of your sons, who's going to be your first son, and Izuna here. So I'm going to get them a job that they can afford to take, what's it called, Okechukwu, and your second son respectfully. So what I mean in that case is that your first son is going to be able to take Nzube, and Izuna could actually take Okechukwu alongside. In that case, I think I've fulfilled my promise. So let's see if that works.
My prince, that is very much okay. My king, my great friend, I appreciate this. You see, today is indeed a very, very happy day for my family.
Too happy?
Yes, if one of my sons is in America, my family is already there. So no problem at all. Thank you very much.
My prince, my princess. That's what they Facebook me.
Thank you very much for the opportunity to be
Royal Majesties. I greet you all. In fact, I'm short of words. I don't even know where to start from. Thank you very much, my prince. I'm so excited. America. But on a second thought, let my friend Okechukwu go first. Hey, while I wait.
Izuna, please do not do this. Don't. I beg you in the name of God. Don't give up your place for someone else. Don't do it.
Oh, he's my best friend.
It's a number now. Look, I don't think what you're doing is right. Go before me. Alright? Go before me, then come back for me.
Izuna, you have to go first. Yes.
Young man, why do you want to allow your friend travel before you?
Thank you, Your Majesty. He speaks well more than I do. He's more educated more than I do.
he fits in more into that traveling. Me, I wouldn't say I'm comfortable here, but I can't just move now. Let him go first. I believe that once he's comfortable, or better still, when he makes it, he will come for me.
Isuna, what are you talking about?
Oh my best.
It doesn't matter. We have to go. I beg you.
Look, Isuna, I trust you. I trust you so much. Go there and make me proud.
They go change mind though. You know I agree this thing, no?
Isuna, I beg you. Think about this. You have to. Please.
He will come for me. Let him go first.
Yes, gracious.
Once he travels, it's as good as I'm the one traveling.
It's not the same thing. He's not you. You are not him. You have to go first. Come on.
Oh. Okay. Haven't heard what you guys have said here. I know you had a plan of taking you guys to immigration office. However, I think that plan is going to change. I think you should have a time to reflect on what you said here now at the moment. Then you can actually make an informed decision before you rush into decisions like this.
Am I a baby? Not head to think about it. Let him go first. He will come back for me. I know him now.
Please just think about it. At least till tomorrow.
I understand you're trying to be selfless. I understand that. But we're not in a hurry. You can't have a thing. Come back tomorrow and give me a feedback.
Thank you very much, my prince. But if you wake me up tomorrow morning or midnight, I will say the same thing.
Yeah, but at least think of it.
Hey.
It's alright. That is enough for now. God, bring us something. Let them take something before they go back.
Be good,
Hey!
Mama.
Oginekwa!
You're here dancing. But Achuku told you what happened. Instead of you to tell him to decline the offer, you're here dancing.
My neighbor, I know here. You don't have one sense in your head. Was he the one that rejected the offer? No! It was Izuna that said, take the offer, my friend. I am not going anywhere. It was Izuna that declined the offer. I said, you have been my friend all this while. Okay, Chuku, travel on my steed. So what do you want your brother to do? To reject it? Not to reject it?
Mama, if brother is a good friend to Izuna, he should at least reject the offer and encourage him to travel first, then come back for him. Yes.
Ibo monkey. You know, I'm beginning to look at these children. And when you say woman, if I'm the one that gave birth to these children, because they're no way like me. They don't look like me in any way. Who rejects a good offer? Once you see sugar in your mouth, you will not even say, my friend, come and taste. You will just be licking it until the sugar finishes in your mouth.
It's not nice.
Izuna was the one that said, I don't want to go. Okay, Chukwu, go. Come to think of it. What would Izuna go to be able to do? He cannot speak the white man English. Like the way my son will twist his mouth and do it. Meh. What? He will not even understand what I do.
Mama, please, don't insult my friend. I only came here for you to advise me. Let me know the next step to take.
And I have told you what to do.
You don't have to insult
my friend. I've
friend.
already told you. God gave you this opportunity, so utilize it. Use it.
Mama, this is not nice. Izuna is like a son to you.
But it's not my son. Like and son is not the same.
And he has helped brother in so many ways. So allow him travel.
Am I the one stopping Izuna from traveling?
Ma, you are the one.
You
are the one.
Do not listen to them. They don't have anything to say. You know, poverty has a way of coming somebody's brain. Go there, travel, go make money for your mother. I am solidly behind you.
Brother, don't go. Me, I've said my own.
I've said
my own.
Shut up. Let me hear from one side.
But I left in the house. Brother, so this is the type of talk you need.
My son, you shouldn't have rejected the offer. You should have taken it.
Why? You are the one that told me that I shouldn't take any decision or accept anything or offer that will take me far away from you. Now you are blaming me for accepting for Okechukwu, my friend, to travel first. Which one should I follow?
I didn't know overseas will be involved. I urge you to make use of this opportunity and travel.
Mama, I have passion for this hunting. Let my friend Okechukwu, he's my best friend, let him travel abroad first. Once he is well established there, he will come for me. Because I gave him my slot. It's like giving him my own opportunity to travel. So he will not forget me. Why are you insisting I should go first? Are you afraid he will betray us?
What are your reasons? Tell me. I want you to explain to me.
Mama?
Why did you do it?
Listen, we must not jump out because we're here abroad. We must come down and check whether it is in line with our destiny or not. Not everybody will go abroad to make them now. Some go die. So calm down, let me be sure. But for now, let Okechukwu go. Once he's well established and come for me, I will feel more comfortable with him because I now have somebody there that can say, welcome, sit here, go here, don't go here.
Human beings are so unpredictable.
True.
How do you think that Okechukwu will remember you when he make it there?
Ha! After giving him my slot to travel, he forgets me. I don't need to get angry. Nature will come and will kill him now.
Do you know what? Like Prince said, think about it. I want you to think about it, please, my son.
Okay, Mama, I'll think about it. Can I go and eat now? You go now, Mama.
Well, my sons, you see how things have turned out to be. Anyway, I believe something good will come out of this. Tochukwu, sir, it's now up to you to change the fortunes of this family. Yes, it's time for you to change your life and that of your brother. Forget about me, I'll be fine. But you need to know that opportunities like this do not come all the time. Neither do they last forever. So my son, please make good use of this opportunity. It's a golden one. Nzube. Nzube. How many times have I called you?
3 times.
This is now the time for you to find yourself something doing. I mean, something, no matter how small. So that you will do well for yourself and keep yourself busy until your brother returns for you. Do you understand me? No one.
Papa, you don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. I believe say on IB, Oluwa don't pick my call. I see the Facebook me like this now. I know my level. I know where my level day now. So leaving Zube matter may no give you problem. Even Zube no using headband. If you do any if you momo, just call me for phone. I go lap as I lap back. I go treat him for cup. I go drill and men, lock him inside house. You don't believe me? Zube use your kafa. I don't want my papa start to.
Tochukwu, shut up. Shut up, Ezigbo Mmadụ. You are now forming Ezigbo Mmadụ, eh? You are now good man because you are going to America. Eh? Yes, all the bad things Zube is doing in this village. Were you not the one who taught him? Were you not the one who taught him? Oh! Now you want to form good police officer. Or your father.
Papa, you should know that America no be America. Now, so person wey dey go that kind, you know where I wan lap. Papa, calm down. As I enter, they go feed my order. But I know they feed the order now. When I go dey send you things.
My sons are going to America. You can't buy me hot water. I want to bath.
Oh yeah, you put water for me too. I want bath. You don't want to go to America? Come on, pour water for me.
Why did you turn back then? I did not ask you to turn down the offer of traveling outside the country. Izuna, what are you saying? We are talking of America here. Obodo Igbo. Ha! See, I, Njideka, I want my husband to be traveling outside the country, coming home. I don't want us to remain here in this country. That is not what I want. I don't know who told you that is what I want. It is not what I want. Listen, my only happiness is that they asked you to go home and think about it, then come back tomorrow to give them your feedback. If you go back there tomorrow, tell them that you have accepted that you will travel. You better not come back if you tell them otherwise. I'm not even joking. Why are you talking like this? I trust you. I know you love me so much and you will never cheat on me. So don't even let that one bother you. I can handle it.
Darling, I don't know, but I didn't ask for it. He gave it to me, wholeheartedly.
But is it right to accept it?
Yes, of course. If he didn't want to go, why not? I will take it. Alright? You and I know that Izuna is my best friend, my closest friend. So if I'm rich today, Izuna is rich too.
Okay. I know. I am just skeptical that the moment you travel outside the country, you will forget everything about me. In fact, about us, and marry a white woman.
How can you say that? No. I won't try such. I love you so much.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course. I just don't asking this question.
Then marry me before you leave.
Huh?
Yes. Pay my bride price before you leave.
But you know now. You know Izuna will never accept this. Because you know Izuna and I, we've been roaming about this village in poverty. The moment I mention it to him, Izuna might even take away this wonderful opportunity from me.
What do you mean? Are you trying to tell me that you will not marry me?
No, darling. I will marry you. But first of all, I need to go to abroad. Make money. Alright? If I come back and tell Izuna that I want to marry, Izuna will accept it with his full chest. I want to make money for the both of us.
Okay.
My love.
Listen, it's not as if I am not happy for this great opportunity given to you. I am so happy. But I am just scared of losing you.
You'll not lose me. I'll always come back for you.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course. I
promise me.
I promise. I love you. Thank you so much. Please don't think about that.
Yes, it's just that he's still sleeping. He slept late last night. Should I wake him up?
Hey! Who am I seeing?
Mama.
My princess.
Mama.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, Mama. Good morning.
Good morning, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Ron, go and call your brother.
She said I should leave him. I'll wait for him.
Yes. Hell, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit down. Okay, make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Hi, you're welcome. Let me keep you busy.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you doing? How is the palace?
Palace
How is
fine.
the king, our king?
Mama, king is fine.
When you get to the palace today, do not allow Izuna to take away this opportunity from you.
But Mama, it still is Ina's decision to make. If Izuna decides to go there first before me, I will allow it. There's nothing I can do about it.
There is something you can do. And there is something you can do. Tell the Igwe he cannot make a promise and take it back. They have already promised you and they can never take it back. Whatever Igwe says, since I have mentioned your name, it's a must travel for you. Put your foot down and tell them it's a must travel for you.
Mama, I can't force it. I can't force it. Yeah? But if Izuna allows me to go, then I will go. There's no way I'm going to force it.
Insist. You must insist. Eh? The kingdom of God is offered violence. The violent take it by force. What you talk now is money. Take opportunity by force. Eh? If they say anything, tell them that you must travel. Tell them they have made this promise. Arizona has given his word. You cannot go back on his word. You must travel.
Mama, Izuna is my friend.
Do not let this opportunity pass you by. It's a golden opportunity. Opportunity comes but once. Once it comes, grab it with your 2 hands. And you make it.
Izuna is my friend, Mama.
And my friend may go. Make it first and look for friend later. Why are you behaving like this? Are you more in a friend? Why in a friend? Working in a business? Money first. Yes! Don't let it go. Stop it.
Hi!
Mama,
my princess.
So funny.
Oh,
don't mind my mother. She's always like that.
Oh my goodness. I want to tell you. But that is the truth. Eh?
Mama.
Eh? My dear.
I'm full of joy.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Izuna.
Don't you know you're a princess?
That is the wrong way of welcoming your visitor. Huh? Obarobia.
No joke, I do.
You did not even greet me.
Mama, good morning, ma. It's about me at the greeting, never tired.
Brother, good morning.
Good morning, my son. Princess Mary has kept us laughing and enjoying her company.
No, Mama. You have been the one telling me jokes about you. Yes. Don't mind her.
Hey!
Well, before you will continue with romance of words, I'm ready for the palace. You hear my father's decision. Yes, that's you hear it there. You hear it there.
My son, I wish you the best.
No. I am sure you have searched your heart properly. And you have come to the final conclusion concerning this journey. But if you still need some time to think, my son can grant you that.
Your Highness, I stand on what I said earlier. Yes, let my friend...
Wait, I'm sorry to cut you short. Igwe, please, I have something to say. Igwe, first of all, I don't deserve to be here. Not to talk of traveling in place of my friend. He is my friend. Look, Izuna, please go. Go there, then come back for me.
I could change mind. I will give him another person. When she meant to be in.
Why are you doing this? Look.
Your Highness, my mind is made. I stand on what I said earlier.
Alright, it's okay. I can see you've actually made up your mind. If this is your final decision, that's okay. I can't do much about it. Anyways, what's it called? Okay, you need to get yourself prepared so we can get to the immigration office this afternoon. Perhaps in an hour time or so.
Well, I guess this is over now. It's over. It's over.
Done your best for this young man, but you can see he's not ready to move on in life. He's not ready to help himself. Huh? You want to kill yourself because of this young man? I don't understand. Moreover, I don't even know what you see in this local village champion.
Mom, please. Enough. Enough. I know you don't like him. I know he doesn't live up to your expectation. But he is not a village champion. He's not. He's a good man. He's a good man with a heart of gold. An honest man. There are not many out there. Mother. They are not.
My dear, I understand. I agree with you. But you can't keep wasting your tears over a village hunter. You just can't keep doing that. Crying over a young man you're not even sure has a future with you. Crying over a young man who doesn't have respect for your feelings as a woman. My dear, you're not supposed to be doing this. Huh? For a village local boy.
Mother, please, I beg you, let me be. I have no strength left in me. I beg you, just go.
Really? I would go. But please don't kill yourself over a man. Do you hear me? You're the only daughter I have. Don't kill yourself because of a village boy. Because of a hunter.
God is faithful.
Let me go and tell your father you want to commit suicide because of him.
He only created us to love one another. Humanity is the best. Love is the best.
Thank God. I really thank God for Zuna. For allowing Okochukwu to go. Hey, if I say that book, I will lay down. Kneeling down for him is an understatement. I honestly speaking, I didn't see this coming. I was thinking as a hunter he is, maybe handling gun, he will not have this feeling. He will not have this good heart. That the gun would have hardened him. That was the opposite. He said, my friend, go! We'll make you come and take me. And no, okay, come and take it.
Mama?
Brother?
Yes, he's already on his way.
Did you enjoy this?
Of course.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, of course. I want to sing. I guess you want to.
Mama, I want to.
Mama, go and wash the plate. Are you?
Let me see you.
Follow me to work. Go and wash the plate.
I want to see
Go and wash plates now.
Because I'm waiting. Want to follow me?
He will come for you. Don't give up in showing love, oh, no good. Cause everything you do, later will come back for you.
What kind of thing is this? I can't believe that Izuna will have the mind to reject such mouth-watering offer again? Does he want us to remain in abject poverty? Okay, no. I think Izuna wants me to be coming to my father's house to be begging food when he marries me because I don't understand what is going on. I want a Ramonka.
Well, the way me I see it, you will be the one living in abject poverty, not me, Chetan.
You are very stupid. You are mad. If I use this anchor to descend on you, you see that mouth of yours, you will not use it in 2 weeks. Empty brain.
Njideka, can you just keep quiet and shut up? Why not the one who fights Izuna because of Princess Emily? The young man acted as expected because he doesn't want to be indebted to Princess Emily. Huh? All you need to do now is to love and cherish him. Support his decisions and plan.
Papa, what are you saying? What are you even saying? That offer did not come from Princess Emilia. It came from Prince Ochendo. And the sweetest part of it is that he will not be in this country if he had accepted that offer. He will be in far away America where Princess Emilia will not even see him.
See, America.
What happens if Izuna finds himself in America? Princess Emilia will find him there and wed him.
Oh.
Okay.
Njideka, why did you not think of this? Why did you not think? And I've been angry with my baby over the decision he made. Meanwhile, that decision was for my own good.
You see what I keep telling you?
Oh.
Don't always jump into conclusions without finding out the truth. You see?
No more. No more. Lord. Lord. Make us proud. You know what I can do. Wait for me. I will be back.
My doggy stop.
No worries.
Mercy, you begin to do.
You will hear this coach. But I laugh first. Okay.
At least take care of it.
Thank you very much. Sir.
Okay. I hope your bags and everything is
yeah, we're cool. Everything. Alright, let's go.
Listen, don't forget she has siblings outside. Maybe they decided to remember her now that her son is alive.
Or better still, it's someone's car. I don't believe that it's Okechukwu that sent that car.
He is the one who he sent the car. Brother, Okechukwu has disappointed us. He betrayed you.
I won't believe that. It's still early to judge him. Until I see Okechukwu with my 2 naked eyes. Or better still, until I hear his voice. I can't judge him. It's too early now.
But from what his mother told me...
Forget about what his mother said. I have no business with that. Until I hear from Okechukwu, let everybody rest in peace, please.